Ever stood at an ATM, needing a substantial amount of cash, only to be met with that dreaded transaction limit exceeded message? Or maybe you're planning a big purchase and wondering if your debit card will sail through without a hitch. It's a common scenario, and the truth is, banks, including TD Bank, have limits on how much money you can withdraw in a single day or even per transaction. But why do these limits even exist? It's not to inconvenience you, believe it or not. Banks implement these limits for several crucial reasons. Firstly, it's a security measure. Imagine if your card was stolen and there were no limits, a thief could drain your entire account in minutes. Daily limits help mitigate that risk, giving you a chance to react and report fraud. Secondly, it's about cash management for the bank. ATMs need to be stocked, and branches need to manage their physical cash reserves efficiently. Imposing limits helps them do that. Finally, there are regulations around large cash transactions, especially those exceeding $10,000, which banks are required to report to help prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. So, while these limits can sometimes feel like a hurdle, they're actually a safeguard. The good news is that these limits aren't always set in stone, and they vary significantly depending on how you're trying to access your funds. Understanding these different avenues and their associated limits is key to managing your money effectively with TD Bank. Now, let's dive into the specifics of how much money you can withdraw from TD Bank, depending on your chosen method. ATM withdrawals. This is often the first place people encounter withdrawal limits. For TD Bank, the typical daily ATM withdrawal limit in the US is around $1,000. In Canada, it can range from $200 Canadian to $1,000 Canadian per day. It's important to remember that this limit is usually cumulative across all ATM transactions within a 24-hour period, not per individual withdrawal. Also, keep in mind that individual ATM operators can sometimes have their own lower limits, which might override your bank's limit if you're using a non-TD ATM. Debit card purchases. Beyond cash withdrawals, your TD Bank debit card also has a daily spending limit for purchases. This limit is typically higher than ATM cash withdrawal limits and can vary based on your account type. While specific figures can fluctuate, you might see daily debit card spending limits in the range of $1,000 and sometimes more, especially for higher-tier accounts. These limits are in place to protect you from large unauthorized transactions. In branch withdrawals, when you need a significant amount of cash, heading to a TD Bank branch is usually your best bet. Generally, there aren't strict, universally published daily limits for over-the-counter withdrawals directly from a teller, especially for smaller amounts. However, for very large sums, typically $10,000 or more, the bank is legally required to report the transaction. For exceptionally large amounts, it's always a good idea to call your branch in advance. This gives them time to ensure they have the cash on hand and can process your request smoothly. They might even recommend alternatives like a wire transfer or a cashier's check depending on your needs. Can you increase your limits? Good news. In many cases, yes. If you find yourself consistently needing to withdraw or spend more than your default limits allow, you can usually request an increase. This can often be done by calling TD Bank's customer service, visiting a local branch, or sometimes even through their online banking or mobile app. Whether it's a temporary boost for a specific large purchase or a permanent adjustment, the bank will typically review your account history and standing before approving the change. It's always a good idea to explain your reasoning for the increase. Understanding these limits and how to manage them can save you a lot of hassle. It's about knowing your options and leveraging them to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.